Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In today's video, I will walk you through step by step how to calculate mean and standard deviation in Excel. Before jumping into Excel, let's quickly understand what these terms mean. The mean is the central value of your dataset. It's simply the average. The standard deviation shows how much your data varies from the mean. A small standard deviation means the data points are close together. A large one means they are more spread out. Now, let's take an example of website traffic data. We have columns showing the page name, number of visits, bounce rate, average time on page, and country. Now, our goal is to calculate the average number of visits and then the standard deviation. First, the average number of visits or calculating the mean. Select the cell where you want the result. Here, I'll select cell C15. Then type the formula equal average open bracket then the range. For me, the range is B2 to B13. Now press enter and Excel will return the average number of visits. Just remember, the average function only works with numeric data. Now, let's calculate the standard deviation. If you are analyzing just a portion of your data, for example, website visits from only a few pages or grades from a few students, that's called a sample. In this case, you should use the STDEV.S function. So, select the cell where you want the result. Here, I will select C16 and type equal stdev.s open bracket then the range, which is B2 to B13 for me. Now press enter and you will get the standard deviation. But if you have the data for the entire population, for example, website visits from every single page or grades from every student in a class, then use STDEV.P instead. In this example, our mean is 503.17 and the standard deviation is 237.92. That means, on average, pages get around 500 visits, but there's quite a bit of variation. Some pages get much higher and some much lower traffic. This insight helps us understand engagement levels and where we may need to improve the content. So that's it. You now know how to calculate mean and standard deviation in Excel using the average and the stdev.s functions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future Excel tutorials or visit excelinsider.com for more such tutorials. Thank you.